Teaching can be demanding, but lesson planning shouldn't be. I'm Sarah from EdCafe AI, and today I'm going to walk you through how to generate a lesson plan using EdCafe AI's Lesson Planner feature to save you time, reduce stress, and get a personalized lesson on top of it. So to create your lesson in EdCafe AI, click on Create New, and then click on Lesson Plan. From here, you can see that you can generate a lesson plan based off of any topic, text, a web page, or a document that you have on hand. However, you can also use the smallest bit of information to generate a lesson plan. If I type in here Ancient Egypt, then we click Generate, you can see that a full lesson plan will be generated for you. You have your topic, you have some objectives, along with materials and resources that you might need, and then the bulk of the lesson plan. You can see that you have most of the openings, some different practice events, and some closing materials, along with different assessments and reflection at the end. If you want to make any changes to this or make it more personal to your classroom, you can always go back and add some additional instructions. To showcase this, let's go ahead and upload a document. Many of you might have documents on file, maybe like a PDF chapter version of your textbook. You can use that. So here I have a ocean circulation chapter that we want to generate a lesson plan based off of. So using this, we can go ahead and upload it and generate our lesson plan using that document. Once it's uploaded, we can then add some additional instructions. This is a great place to put the age of your students and then any other additional information that you want for your classroom to make this personalized to you. So for example, here we can have that we want some group project ideas and also some differentiation activities for different types of learners. And then lastly, we want to make sure that there's a quiz that we can use at the end of this lesson. And then lastly, you can add in any additional standards that you might need for your school or for your state, and then you can change the output language and we can generate. This time when it generates, you will also see, in addition to the objectives, you'll see the standards that are listed and how they connect to your lesson. Then you can scroll through and look at the rest. You'll see that we have those differentiated activities that we asked for, including some of the questions that we needed for our quiz at the end. If you notice that you want to make any changes to this lesson plan, you can go ahead and begin editing this document just as you would any other document. So you can go ahead and change up any of the formatting or add or remove any information here. But once it looks good, we can go ahead and save this lesson plan. When you save your lesson plan, it will automatically save to EdCafe's library. That way you have easy access to all of your resources whenever you need. So we can go ahead and save this either to your library or you can put it into a different folder that you have created. Once your folder is saved, you then have the options to share your lesson plan or export it via a Word or a Google document to any admin, to parents, or to your students. Now that your lesson plan is generated and saved, you can seamlessly connect it to EdCafe AI's other features, like creating vocabulary cards to go along with your lesson, or copying the lesson to the quiz feature to make the quiz interactive and shareable to students. Check out these other videos to learn more and let EdCafe AI help you bring your teaching ideas to life.